In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass text on Square Appointments. This valuable tool can significantly enhance your business communication strategy by allowing you to reach multiple clients effectively and efficiently. Whether you're running promotions, sending updates, or just staying in touch, mastering this feature can save you time and boost your engagement. Let's get started by heading over to Square's main website. You can easily find it by searching for Power Your Entire Business with Square in your preferred internet browser, or simply by visiting squareup.com/us/n. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a sign-in option prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you'll enter your email address and password associated with your Square account. If you haven't already, it's crucial to ensure your account credentials are handy for a smooth sign-in process. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the Square dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage every aspect of your Square services. From managing sales statistics to customer information, this dashboard is your central hub. To navigate to where we need to be for sending a mass text, look for the Customer Management option and click on it. Following that, click on Marketing in the same section. Square's marketing tools are robust, offering you the capability to create and manage campaigns directly from your account. Once you're in the marketing section, you'll see a Get Started button, which will direct you to the area where you can select different options for your marketing campaign. Square gives you the flexibility to tailor your messaging based on the audience segment you're targeting, such as regular customers or those who haven't purchased in a while. This is the fun part where you can get creative. Under each category, like for the regulars or for lapsed customers, Square offers you suggestions and templates that you can customize based on your campaign objectives. Feel free to explore the options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your template and are satisfied with the customization, it's time to move on to the design aspect of your campaign. Click on Design to enter the editor, where you'll find a variety of blocks and elements that can be added to your message. Think of these blocks as building pieces for your template, where you can include text, images, and buttons to make your message stand out. Don't forget to also click on Themes and Style to further customize the appearance of your template. Themes will allow you to change the overall look and feel of your message, while the Style section gives you control over font styles, colors, and more, ensuring that every element of your campaign aligns with your brand identity. Before finalizing everything, it's crucial to review your work. Click on Review to see how your message will appear to recipients. This step is key to catching any potential errors or making last-minute tweaks for optimal engagement. Square also offers you the option to rename your campaign here, providing a personalized touch that can help you keep things organized, especially if you're running multiple campaigns simultaneously. If your account is all set and you've upgraded your plan accordingly, the final step is incredibly satisfying: sending your campaign. Instead of the usual save or draft options, upgraded plans will display a send button, indicating you're ready to launch your mass text. And that's all there is to sending a mass text on Square Appointments. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate with your client base, ensuring your messages are both engaging and impactful. Remember, while the tool is straightforward, the power of your campaign lies in the message you craft. So, take your time to strategize and create content that resonates with your audience, ensuring each mass text you send out is meaningful and beneficial for your business growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most of your Square services.